Again, no, helping my neighbors. There you are, no. So first, our treatment is about on this last December 8, 2014. That was on Monday. Next, second treatment is about December 11, 2014. That was Thursday. December 13, 2014. That's third. That was Saturday. Then relax lang for 4 days, by which nawa po akong dopamine, no. Last time is December 18, 2014. Thursday. No, again, ang yang sukod is about nga 15 na lang, no. So there, from 15.5 to 15. So today is about December 20, no. It's about 1 year and 1 month and 1 day sa YouTube, no. There, no. 15 December 20, 2014. So atong gisukod po, palitan ko po ito, tanong, no. So gisukod po natin here, the precast, no. So parehar siya, no. Here, 14.5, no. 14.7. So money ang injury, no. Which medial partial tear, no, of the ECL. So here, itong isukod, again, pare-parehan na, by which pod mo diferensya siya og if you're right-handed or left-handed, no? Right-handed ba ka, no? Left-handed?
Right.
Again, mas more siya, and ako ang right. Again, more na siya, no? Again, recover na. By which lagi, akong ipakita ninyo, no? Please follow also this one, yeah? Athlete ni siya, no? Basketball. By which so here, again, ato ning giingon ani, no? Helping here, week 1, it's about 23 to 30. There. Then week 2, 1 to 7. Week 3, 8 to 14. Week 4, 15 to 21. Week 5, 22 to 28. Then week 6, 29 to 04, by which by 05. January 5, duwa na siya dito sa basket, no? Again, mali, no? Sunda po siya. Again, today is about our 5th treatment sessions.